YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. Very new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Got my giant iced coffee today. It's America size, guys. But I'm trying to get to Colombia. We need 100,000 subscribers in order to get to Colombia, guys. Each and every one of you guys that have hit the subscribe button have done your part in helping out. Before we get into Toshi, I just gotta let you guys know too, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. You got to get out there and do your own research, guys. Just the homie Crypto J. But guys, again, Toshi coming in at 419 million market cap at the time of the video. What the heck happened, right? We got a lot of FUD coming out. In my opinion, I feel like it's FUD coming out into the market around Bitcoin, talking about with the Trump tariffs against China, that Bitcoin is looking a little bit volatile. And it is, as you guys can see, Bitcoin's coming in now at 102. Absolutely started to tank after Trump started talking about the tariffs against China. But is this just a fake out, or is this some legitimate price action? It looked like we were seeing some upside. It looked like we were going to see our bull flag play out, right? Our Bitcoin bull flag that we've been talking about on the channel now for so long. And look at us now receiving this FUD, right? And could have a possible now shoulder, head, shoulder here indicator that we could possibly be heading down. And so again, a lot of fear being created in the market and people thinking that we're going to be headed down. Is Bitcoin going to drop and reject off of this zone up here? This is the zone that we've been talking about you know, how we created this bull flag right here and it stretched up, and then we created this bull flag right here and it stretched up. Well, are we going to do something more similar to what we did here and just kind of have a couple rejections, see a little bit of correction before Bitcoin does decide it wants to take off? Have we topped out? Have we topped out yet? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Again, the chart's looking like right now they can go either way, and we did just get that crazy news, right? We do know that these guys do also tend to like to move the markets in ways that favor them so that they can get better position. Am I saying that that's what's happening? No, but you never know. Maybe these markets are being manipulated so that people can get better positions that have a lot of wealth. But again, that's just speculative, guys. These markets do have cycles. Sometimes they correct and they go down. I feel like right now Toshi is actually handling this correction pretty well. A lot of these coins are getting absolutely wrecked, but I feel like considering Toshi's market cap, I think it's doing really well, as well as the fact that now I can get it even cheaper Toshi, which is great because, again, I'm still bullish on this project. I still feel like this project is going to have a lot of upside, and the fact that now I'm able to get this coin at a cheaper price, I'm still happy on it. Do we still have the bull flag playing out on the 1 year? Not as much, right? It does look like we're seeing some signs of correction, but maybe we could find some levels of support down here in these lower ranges, right? We have been really not moving too much, just kind of like sideways. And then again, when Bitcoin decided it wanted to drop, Toshi dropped like another 15%, but it seemed like we wanted to start getting a rally going. So maybe again, I feel like Toshi can start picking up in price. We do know that Toshi has been hinting at a lot of big listings. So that's something that, again, I'm looking forward to. I'm long on this project. I see longevity in this. So even if this thing is down for even the next couple weeks or something for its all-time high, I do think that Toshi Coin will do pretty well in February. I'm actually really curious to see what it does. Again, we talked about the fact that these guys just got their Coinbase listing not too long ago. Now we're seeing this volatility in the market. Is Bitcoin going to look a little more healthy in February? Tomorrow is February 1st. So do you guys think that Toshi will be more bullish in February, or do you think that Toshi just needs to correct down more? Do you feel like it just pumped way too much too fast and that it needs to see a little bit more of a correction? I definitely want to know. Let me know in the comment section. Also, if you guys have not yet joined my private Telegram, I have a private Telegram. You can tap in there. You can ask questions. It's a free resource again for you guys that I created. So if you want that, I will leave that linked at the top of my Twitter. You can go on Twitter, share this video, and use that link. Go join us. And then also, if you want to come join me in my private Patreon, all you got to do is I'll leave that linked in the top of the comment section. I'll pin it to the top, guys. Again, what are your price predictions for Toshi Coin? Do you guys think that we are going to be headed back up pretty soon? Do you think that the bull cycle's over? Do you think that Bitcoin is just having a little bit of a fake out? Do you think that this is the last final shakeout? Do you think that these countries are actually wanting our Bitcoin? Do you think that they actually want our coins that are worth having, that they see the volume going into? I want to know. I want to know. We do know that we've seen a lot of these countries getting involved into cryptocurrency just this cycle. So the fact that now we're seeing this price action happen in a time where a lot of these countries are just getting into crypto, and the time where these guys are just going public about the fact that they're buying these dips, kind of lets me feel a little bit better, even though we have had a big parabolic run with Bitcoin just from November to January. We went all the way from 66,000 before inauguration all the way up to over 100,000. That is a massive parabolic growth. So if Bitcoin does decide it wants to correct down, I think it's totally healthy. And I do know that that will bring down a lot of the market to some cheaper prices. But again, sometimes these prices go down, they reset, and they give us better entry points, better times to accumulate, times to dollar cost average. In my opinion, I like Toshi for the long haul. I'm going to be dollar cost averaging into this project. A lot of people were talking about this support range, even in the comment section, saying, I knew it was going to fall down to this range. This is exactly the range that I was waiting for. Maybe it's going to fall a little bit lower, or maybe it can hold some support here, guys. I really don't know. Only time will tell, guys. Only time will tell. But, guys, I do know that one way that you can get the word out there about Toshi is by hitting that subscribe button, is by hitting that like button, and by dropping us a comment. It pushes Toshi out there into the algorithm, guys, and it gets us noticed by a new audience. A lot of people telling me that they heard about Toshi for the first time just by listening to this channel. And again, guys, I do think that this coin does have some room for upside. I just think that, again, with the way that the market's looking and with the FUD that just came out today, Toshi may need to see a little bit of correction. We might have seen the bottom of it. We might see a little bit more of it. Either way, I'm still bullish on this project. I'm still looking to accumulate this project at the cheapest price that I could find it at. So, you know, I'm not really sweating the dips. I've been talking about this project now for over 5-6 months. So the price was way back here when I started talking about it. And now, again, this price has already got very close to $1 billion. And Toshi Coin just got its listing on Coinbase. I'm patient. I know that these market cycles take time. They don't just happen. The fact that Toshi Coin was able to hit $1 billion as fast as it did is really amazing. But do I think that it can, or get as close as it did to $1 billion? I'm sorry, it didn't really hit $1 billion. It got to like 800. But do I think that it has the potential to hit $1 billion? I do think that it has the potential to hit $1 billion. Again, how long that's going to take, only time will tell, guys. I want to know your price predictions on Toshi Coin, though. When do you guys think Toshi Coin will hit $1 billion? Will Toshi Coin hit $1 billion, or will it never hit $1 billion, guys? I want to know. Let me know in the comment section below. Again, join in on the Patreon. I will leave you the link also for that, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.